At the botanical garden, rock garden. So walking, had a lunch at restaurant, and we are doing a walk
Time
around the
30
garden,
minutes.
with
Distance
my daughter,
0.91 kilometers.
and
Average
son
speed
Aryan, and
1.83
grandma
kilometers per hour. Current speed
Nawab, born in Israel,
1.58 kilometers
and a
per
friend
hour.
of Hari, his father. So we are just going back. There were a lot of displays. So it is about to drizzle a little bit. So we are going to go in a into the interesting displays they put. So this is wombat, an interesting wombat. So I will show you myself a little bit with the wombat. So we are going to go in the rainforest area and see. So it's going through the rainforest gully. So to see what the gully looks like. So this is rainforest gully. So you can see that.
Why can't you put railway there? Because it won't hold the weight of the rail.
No, you just the coast is heavily indented with tricky things. So you said you can't really come.
We will go this way, Amma. So this.
We have to be meeting, okay?
So this is a peacock. So you can see that. So there is a lower deck, which you can see. I'll just go down and have a look. So it is a pleasant, very pleasant rainforest area. So So it is an interesting area in Botanic Gardens in Canberra, Rainforest Deck. So water is flowing through. I will show you myself a little bit. You can see me. You can see me in rainforest area.
Time 35 minutes. Distance 1.12 kilometers. Average speed 1.91 kilometers per hour. Current speed 3.6 kilometers per hour.
It's a slippery when wet. So just coming out of the rainforest area. So it is very interesting rainforest.